Hey guys, Joel Freeze here, local realtor in Fort Lauderdale. Want to introduce you to our newest listing, 1535 Southeast 15th Street. It's on the water. Boat slips are available for rent. This unit's fantastic. Great location, being 5 miles from everything. Come home, park your car, hop on your bike, and just cruise around town on your bike. You really enjoy the area. Two bedrooms, two bathroom, new hardwood floors, look beautiful, and we're ready for a new owner. Coolest thing about this building is it's 5 miles from everything. 5 miles from Fort Lauderdale Airport, 5 miles to the ocean, 5 miles to Olas Boulevard. Anything you want, centrally located, you're gonna love living here. Thanks.